Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to unbox D12 and have an initial setup. First, let's cut the top of strap and also the tab off. Then we can open up the top of the box, then lay the whole carton down. And it's very easy to take out the wheelchair. We have already got the wheelchair out of the carton. Right now, please check you have a seat cushion, you have a back cushion, and also a charger. Another two things which is inside the storage bag, which is controller and also a pack of user's manual with tandem wire, battery connecting wire, and also some simple tools that I'm going to take it out. You can find it really easy right inside the storage bag. Let's hold the top of the wheelchair and then push it to the front. That you can open up the wheelchair really simple and easy. Now, right now, the storage bag under the seat here that you can find out the pack here and also a controller here. Next, let's set up the seat back here. Logo to the back. Seat cushion on top of the seat. Controller, let's insert a pipe into the frame under the armrest and then turn the knob to tight that we can connect the power here. Connecting the battery connecting wire for the two battery. Wheelchair is almost ready for you to drive, but first of all, let's notice that we have a freewheel mode design here. If you want to push by hand, you need to put lever to top. That allows us to push by hand. You want to go by electric, push the lever back. Then we can access the wheelchair either to the front or you want to go through the side. Flip up the armrest that we can access from the sides, really simple, easier, also for the other side too. And then we can put the armrest back, turn the power on. We can free to go. To the front, to the back, to the sides, make a 360-degree turns, no problem at all. There are two ways for charging the battery. One is direct charge. From the joystick here, just plug in the plug here that you can connect to power source. The other way is the battery charge. Is the off-board charge design. This is an airline approvable battery. You need a tandem wire to connect with the battery charger here. And then insert it inside the battery. That you can take out the battery that you can charge it at your room or any other place whenever there is a power source. Another thing is to fold up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Just press the knuckle here and also push the seat to the front. Both hands, one on the seat, the other holds the top. You can fold it up in just 1 second. It's really simple and easy. We hope you find the unbox and initial setup of D12 is really simple and easy for you. If you got any question, we have all the information on user's manual, and also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.